So starting the test drive in this Envision Sport Touring, have it in the tour mode now. I'm about to go to all-wheel drive. But I really like how these drive. They're just very nice overall. The ride quality is great. The acceleration is great. Just very smooth in general. I just have no complaints about the vehicle. I'm going to slow it down and give it a little pull here. Here we go. So I mean, the acceleration is just great for this kind of vehicle. I mean, for a Buick SUV, the 2-liter turbo paired with the 9-speed is just the perfect setup, I think. You're getting good fuel economy, you still have all-wheel drive, it just drives so nicely. But then on top of that, it's also relatively quick. But I want to give a huge thanks once again to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Envision today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information. And I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But I mean, ride quality is good. Sound acoustics in here are fantastic. Ride quality is just really good. Really, really good. And then road noise is minimal. Now at this price point, you're a little under $50,000, which isn't terrible, but this is not a cheap vehicle. But let me tell you, you get so much here. $5 grand cheaper than an Avenir, and it's really based on preference at this point. It kind of reminds me, you know, the Tahoe, the RST versus a Premier, something like that, where you can have something that looks really good and doesn't have everything, or you can have something that's a bit more sophisticated that does have everything. And it's based on preference at this point. I don't necessarily need ventilated seats, I don't need massage seats, but to have this interior, I mean, it looks fantastic, feels fantastic, it's just incredible. And even with the lighter, I guess, kind of wheat texture that you get on the Avenirs, I'd probably take this over that, because this purple just really does it for me. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's different. And I remember I sold a lady a Buick LaCrosse that had this interior in it. And the car was like 2 years old new, because nobody wanted that inside, but it's growing on people. And it's one of those that really, you either love it or you hate it. And I'm one of those people that absolutely loves it. It's my favorite interior on the Envision. And I think for that, to be in this price point, still have the moonroof, still have the adaptive cruise control, still have the heated seats, heated steering wheel, I would take this over a fully loaded Avenir. That's just me. Especially the wheels you get with the ST, everything being that black body color, it's beautiful. This spec is stunning. But for this price point, again, I think you get quite a bit when you look at the technology, you look at the amenities, you look at the all-wheel drive capability, and your fuel economy is still pretty good for a Turbo 4 period, but let alone all-wheel drive Turbo 4. I mean, 22 city, 28 highway is impressive. And then I just love having the standard heads-up display, the newer infotainment system. It all works in my opinion. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Buick Envision Sport Touring with all-wheel drive.